Okay, friend, we discuss the knots of the words boycott. It is derived from the proper noun boycott, the name of the agent. We discuss about it. Enter into the English language during the Irish Land War in 1880. We discuss about it, friend. There was the war between England and Ireland in 1880, and Britain won that war. And during that time, that word came Captain Charles Boycott. The full name of the person, Captain Charles Boycott, was agent of the Irish states, and he was very much harsh. Harsh means cruel, ghastly, dayahin to his tenant or the native, who therefore put the passive resistance. Friend, you know that in the bracket, refused to till farm, which came to be known as a boycott. Further, we try to understand derivatory boycott. The word boycott entered the English language during the Irish Land War in 1880. It is derived from the name of Charles Boycott, or the agent of Irish state. In 1880, there was a dispute, or we can say that in the similar quarrel or conflict between the landlord or agent and his tenants or worker. All the tenants vacant the farm. Vacant means khali kari nakhu. And the landlord get no labor for his farm. And this kind of the act become known locally as a boycott. Then the verb boycott was developed into English language. The word boycott show how the name of person also contributed to enrichment of vocabulary of the English language. Enrichment એટલે સમૃદ્ધ કરું. In this, the name of the Charles Boycott came to English language. Okay, friend, prepare the notes of the linguistic words. Thank you.